How to make playlists on YouTube. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you on how you can make playlists on YouTube. So without further ado, let's get started. So right now, as you can see, I am using desktop. Yes, Windows, Chrome, something like that. So first thing you need to do is you need to go onto your account. Yes, youtube.com, and you need to click the profile right here. Of course, we're gonna click this. And then you can see right here, it said YouTube Studio. You can click this one. And then once you're here, you need to click the create button right over here on the top right corner. Click this. And as you can see right here, we have the new playlist. Yes, we have the create new playlist. Let me click this. And then right here, you can add now your playlist name. Example, I'm gonna type example. Yes. And then you can set here the visibility into public, private, or unlisted. So, and you can also add description. So example, yes, I'm gonna leave this right here and then click create. And then once you have your playlist, of course, you need to add your videos right there. You can go to your contents right over here on the side. And then as you can see right here, I have only one video. Let me choose this video and let me click this box right over here. Let me check this. Then as you can see, we have the add to playlist right there. You can click this and then choose the example playlist and then save. So there you go. You have now placed this video onto your example playlist. Let me go to playlist right over here. And then there you go guys, we have the playlist right here and I have now one videos in it. So look at that. So there you go guys, that's how you can create, or that's how you can make playlists on YouTube.
I hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. See you soon in the next video.